Hey folks, Tuesday, June 1st, new day, new month, clean slate. Let's go. Friday, jobs report coming out for the month of May. Big day, big data. We'll see how strong this recovery looks coming out of the backside of the pandemic here, or at least we hope that's where we're at. We're seeing a lot of improvement on the vaccination front. We're seeing positivity rates drop. As a result, seeing markets trade higher. Markets trading higher this morning, dollar trading lower. Look at that sterling. Look at the Canadian dollar. Big moves. Canadian dollar pressing up against a 6-year high. That's right, 6-year high. British pound broke up above 1.42 overnight. Thoughts being, both of those central banks could be tightening up their monetary policy soon, strengthening in those currencies, weakness in the dollar as a result. Also, start of summer, right? Like I said, Friday, right on our doorstep. June 1st, we're almost there. As a result, oil trading higher. Oil up 3%. WTI north of $68 a barrel. All right, folks, let's get in there today. Let's have a little fun. I'll check in with you again tomorrow.